This is Peter, like Peter the Great, like the Tsar of my homeland. Last day, we're done. The training was amazing. Thank you, Riley. I'm sorry. Thank you, Forbes. I keep flipping the names for some reason in my head. Pitch Mastery was amazing. We bought into the whole idea of pitch your ideas to like you want to sell them. Love the Forbes Factor. A few breakthroughs. Amazing time. We made some wonderful friends. Saying goodbye is kind of sad, so we're going through that right now.
By the way, what do you think of Riley's retreat?
I like Riley's retreat. Cozy, especially for my frame. It's a little cozy, but I love the dock and the lawn. And today was the only day that I didn't try to fish in the morning while Lena was getting ready. Having breakfast or coffee out on the dock was my favorite time of day. I drowned my sunglasses while trying to catch crab and shrimp. But yeah, it was a great fun. We actually caught some shrimp one night and we ate them. And I have pictures to prove it. So overall, it's been a great trip. Love it.
Did you meet Tom Riley?
I have not met Tom Riley.
That's interesting the whole time. Okay.
Yeah.
Start a sentence that says, for someone in real estate looking to grow their business, just how this might affect them.
So if you're in real estate and you're looking to grow your business, come here because as the guy said, there are no business problems. There are personal problems that impact your business. Being able to quickly connect with people, whether you're trying to buy a house, sell a house, raise capital, raise funds, having your credibility items in place, having your marketing in place. I love the idea of doing training seminars and promoting that. I think that's going to be my very short, one of the next items that I'm going to chase. And the connections we made. I mean, we had 5 people from the real estate industry, but we also have, we had some amazing people from marketing industry, and so yeah, everyone we connected with, I think, are going to be an asset going forward.
Love it.